So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to program a Vizio Soundbar remote, pairing, codes and troubleshooting. Method first is programming a universal remote to your Vizio Soundbar. Turn on the Vizio Soundbar, press and hold the setup button on the universal remote until the LED blinks twice. Enter one of the following Vizio Soundbar code 0660 1517 or 31517. The LED light will flash twice to confirm code acceptance. Press the power or volume button to test the connection. If it doesn't work, repeat the step with a different code. Second method is using your TV remote. Connect an HDMI cable from the soundbar HDMI ARC or eARC port to the TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port. Enable HDMI CEC in the TV setting menu. May be labeled as AnyNet Plus, Simplink or VRA Link. Once HDMI CEC is enabled, the TV remote will control the soundbar power and volume automatically. Third method is programming your soundbar to learn your TV remote. Press the setup button on your Vizio soundbar remote or use the Vizio mobile app to access system setting. Select program remote or learn a remote. Choose the following you want or function you want to program, like volume up. Point your TV remote at the soundbar and press the corresponding button on the TV remote. Thanks for watching.